Have you ever checked into a hotel, pulled back the sheets, and felt something you cannot quite feel at home? That crisp, cool, impossibly fresh linen. That towel so white and fluffy, it feels like it has never been used before. Pause. You have been doing laundry your entire life. So why does a hotel do it so much better? Today, we find out exactly why. And we bring those secrets home. Like, subscribe, turn on notifications. Because after this video, your laundry will never feel ordinary again. The hotel laundry secrets revealed. The first secret, and this one will immediately explain so much, is that hotels never overload their machines. Most of us stuff the washing machine as full as it will physically go because it feels efficient. Pause. But here is what actually happens. Overloaded clothes cannot move freely in the drum. They cannot rinse properly. Detergent residue stays trapped in the fabric. That residue is the primary reason your clothes and towels develop that gray tint and that stale smell over time. Hotels wash in smaller loads, so every item moves freely, rinses completely, and comes out genuinely clean rather than just wet and spun. The second secret is white vinegar in the rinse cycle, and this single habit changes everything. Hotels that process thousands of items weekly have known for decades that half a cup of white vinegar added during the rinse cycle does three things simultaneously. It strips away all detergent residue left in the fabric. It naturally softens the fibers without coating them in the waxy layer that commercial fabric softeners leave behind. The same waxy layer that actually reduces your towel's absorbency over time. And it neutralizes odor at the source rather than masking it with fragrance. Pause. Your towels become softer, more absorbent, and genuinely fresh. The exact combination that makes hotel towels feel the way they do. The third secret is baking soda, added directly into the drum at the start of the wash, not the detergent drawer. 1/2 cup of baking soda alongside your regular detergent boosts the detergent's cleaning power, brightens whites naturally, and balances the pH of the wash water so colors stay vivid and fabric fibers stay strong. The fourth secret is water temperature discipline. Hotels wash whites and heavily soiled items in the hottest water the fabric can safely tolerate, because heat genuinely kills bacteria and breaks down body oils that cold water simply moves around. But they wash colors and delicates in cold water to preserve dye integrity and prevent shrinkage. Most people at home use one temperature for everything. That single habit is silently degrading your entire wardrobe wash by wash. Pause. Separate not just by color, but by temperature requirement. It takes 30 extra seconds of sorting, and it makes a difference that compounds over every single wash. The fifth and final secret is in the drying. Hotels never leave laundry sitting wet in the machine. They transfer immediately to the dryer or line, and they never overdry. Overdrying is the hidden destroyer of fabric quality. It breaks down fibers, causes stiffness, and creates static. Remove items while they are still ever so slightly damp and let them finish air drying. Shake each piece out firmly before hanging or folding. Pause. That shake, that simple 2-second shake, is what gives hotel linens that crisp, smooth finish that makes them feel freshly pressed even without ironing. The deeper realization: you have been doing laundry for years, possibly decades, and somewhere along the way it became a chore to endure rather than a process to perfect. Pause. But today that changes. Smaller loads, white vinegar in the rinse, baking soda in the drum, temperature discipline, immediate transfer and a firm shake, 5 habits. That is all that stands between you and laundry that feels like it came from a 5-star hotel. Your clothes deserve better. Your towels deserve better. And honestly, so do you. If this finally explains something you have wondered about for years, hit the like button right now. Subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss a video like this. Share it with someone whose laundry deserves a serious upgrade. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. See you in the next one.